Hello, readers! Welcome back to Tiny Readers Club. Today, we're going to learn the 5 special vowels, A, E, I, O, and U. Each vowel makes its own sound, and we'll learn fun words that start with them. Are you ready? Let's begin, and remember to repeat after me. The first vowel is A. A makes the sound A. A like apple. Say it with me. A, apple, apple. An apple is a red, juicy fruit that's fun to eat. A, ant, ant. An ant is a tiny insect that loves to work hard. A, axe, axe. An axe is a tool we use to chop wood. A, alligator, alligator. An alligator is a big reptile with sharp teeth. A, anchor, anchor. An anchor keeps a boat from floating away. Great job, readers. Let's say them again. Apple, ant, axe, alligator, anchor. Next, we have the letter E. E makes the sound E. E like egg. Say it with me. E, egg, egg. An egg is round and comes from a chicken. E, elephant, elephant. An elephant is a big animal with a long trunk. E, elf, elf. An elf is a tiny magical helper. E, escalator, escalator. An escalator helps people go up and down in stores or buildings. E, eggplant, eggplant. An eggplant is a purple vegetable that grows on a plant. Wonderful! Say them again. Egg, elephant, elf, escalator, eggplant. Now it's time for the letter I. I makes the sound I. I like igloo. Say it with me. I, igloo, igloo. An igloo is a little house made of ice. I, injection, injection. An injection helps you stay healthy at the doctor. I, ink, ink. Ink is the liquid we use for writing or drawing. I, ill, ill. Ill means you don't feel very well. I, itch, itch. An itch is that funny feeling that makes you want to scratch. Great reading! Say them again. Igloo, injection, ink, ill, itch. Our next vowel is O. O makes the sound ah. Ah like octopus. Say it with me. Ah, octopus, octopus. An octopus lives in the ocean and has 8 arms. Ah, ox, ox. An ox is a strong animal that helps pull heavy things. Ah, ostrich, ostrich. An ostrich is a big bird that can't fly but runs very fast. Ah, orange, orange. An orange is a round fruit full of sweet juice. Ah, open, open. Open means to move something so you can go inside or see what's there. Let's read them again. Octopus, ox, ostrich, orange, open. And now the last vowel, U. U makes the sound like umbrella. Say it with me. Umbrella, umbrella. An umbrella keeps you dry when it rains. Up, up. Up means to move higher or to the sky. Under, under. Under means below something, like a cat hiding under the table. Upset, upset. Upset means you feel sad or not happy. Umpire, umpire. An umpire is the person who watches the baseball game and makes the calls. Say them all again. Umbrella, up, under, upset, umpire. Awesome work, readers! You've just learned the 5 vowels and their sounds. A, E, I, O, and U, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you can keep learning with us here at Tiny Readers Club. See you next time.